So in this video, we're going to learn how to create a table view with different sections. If you want to know how to create a table view section where it's sorted by dates, so for example, I create a to-do, let's just say burger, and due date is 28. And I save, then it's automatically sorted by date. Then I have totally separate blog post on it. Check out the first link in the description box. Alright, so let's just dive right into it. I'm going to create new Xcode project, iOS single view application. I'm going to call it table with sections. Next, I want to store this on desktop. Alright, so I'm going to go to the main storyboard. Alright, so I'm going to change the iPhone size to iPhone SE. Get rid of the view controller because we need a table. I'm going to set that as the initial view controller. Editor, embed in navigation controller. And I'm going to set the title to menu. And set the cell identifier to menu item. Now I'm going to delete the view controller shift file. Then file new file iOS Cocoa Touch class next. I'm going to call it menu table view controller next, and save this on the desk and the app. So first thing that you do is when you create a new file is go to the main storyboard, select the table view controller, set its custom class to menu table view controller. Now I'm going to write some code in here and then I'll explain it to you. Alright, so here's what I've written. So first I've created an array of string and there are 3 titles in it. And then I've created an array of arrays and there are 3 arrays into a single array. So each array is the item in first section. The second array is the items in the second section, and the third array is the item in the third section. So I've added this new method called title for header in section. So each section's title is going to be sections. So this is the sections array at index section. So this section is a parameter in this method. So the title for the header for each section is going to be the section at index section. Then number of section is going to be sections.count. So this array.count. And the number of rows is going to be items. So items at index section. So you get another array and dot count. So number of rows for a specific section is going to be item at index section. There's another array at this. So this section parameter is from this method dot count. Then I uncomment the cell for row at index path, and then the cell identifier I have set it to menu item, and cell.textLabel.text is equal to item at index path section. So item is an array of arrays. You get an array at index path section, and within that array I'm gonna get the string at index path row. Now let's just run this app in the iPhone 5s. So there you go, you have multiple sections and the menu items are separated by these different sections. So if you want to download this project file, then just fill out the form below and you'll receive the file in your inbox. So if you want to create table view with multiple sections and the title for section is going to be the date. For example, let's just say if I add burger and the date is going to be 28, then it's automatically added to this section. So if you want to create a table view with sorted sections, then I have a totally separate blog post on it. Check out the first link in the description box. So that's it for this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one.